Okay guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and today we shall be looking at how to change the MAC address of your system. Now we are working in Kali Linux. Okay, we can change the MAC address of our hardware system, or prevention you want to change the MAC address of your other system, so you can able to sniff. Don't worry, we'll get to that. You're able to sniff some data from your other systems to inside this your Kali Linux, and we'll also be in that tutorial. Okay, but in this very well we'll be teaching you how to change a MAC address. Okay, now this is my MAC address. I'm already my Kali Linux. You can see my Kali Linux is not connected to any Wi-Fi yet. Okay, it's not connected. This available network is not connected yet. Now I have to do my ifconfig. So these are the interface. Okay, these are the interface. I have the interface of my Kali Linux. This is the Ether. This is the IP address of my Ether, and this is my WLAN 0, the Ether, the MAC address of it. Okay, now I want to change this Ether, this MAC address. I want to change this particular MAC address. So what I should do is ifconfig. So since I want to change the MAC address, that I use my sudo ifconfig WLAN 0 down, because I want to disable it. So it means that what there's no error. So the next thing for us to do is to what sudo ifconfig WLAN 0. That is my HW, the hardware, then my Ether. Then I want to change this Ether to something else. Okay, 00, then 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So I want to change it to something of this nature. So what next? So it means there's no error. Then I have to do my sudo ifconfig WLAN 0 up. Remember, I disabled it before, so now I want to what enable it. Now if I now do my ifconfig again, so you can see that what the MAC address have been changed to what I changed it to. So this is how to change the MAC address of your hardware. Okay, I'm able to what do this without no obstruction. Thank you very much for staying tuned to our channel. Please always stay tuned to our channel where we bring you more updates, and make sure you are following us. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you guys for staying tuned.